Alright, let's dive into the New Zealand Green List visa. It is a grand plan, supposedly get the brightest and the best into the country to fill those critical job shortages. But as usual, there's more to it than just the headline. By the way, we have a full article on this topic, so please check it out. I'll drop the link in the description below. So, what is this Green List visa? Well, it's supposed to be a straightforward way for skilled migrants to fast-track their way to residency. The idea is to plug those gaps in the labour market by making it easier for people with specified qualifications and expertise to come and stay in New Zealand. It's part of the government's broader strategy to bolster economic growth by boosting productivity and innovation through a skilled workforce. Now, the occupations on this green list are spread across various sectors, from construction to healthcare to technology. But don't be fooled into thinking it's a free-for-all. It's divided into two tiers. Tier 1 occupations are on the fast track straight to residence. You get a job offer in one of these roles, you're practically in the club. We're talking about jobs like construction project managers, various types of engineers, doctors and nurses, and software engineers, to name a few. Tier 2, on the other hand, is a bit more of a slog. You'll have to work in the job for a couple of years before you can apply for residency. This includes roles like dairy farm manager, automotive electrician, school teachers, and so on. It's a longer road, but it gets you there eventually. What's crucial to remember is that this green list isn't set in stone. It gets updated based on the changing needs of the New Zealand labour market. New roles get added, some get shifted between tiers, and others get booted off entirely. So if you're eyeing on one of these visas, you better keep an eye on the latest list. The pathways to residence via the green list are pretty clear-cut. For Tier 1, you can apply for residence as soon as you land, or even from overseas if you've got a job offer from an accredited employer. For Tier 2, it's a 2-year wait, while you wait in your specified role before you can apply. But of course, there are hoops to jump through. You need a valid job offer from an accredited employer with a pay rate at or above the median wage, qualifications, and proof of English proficiency, and you must meet health and character requirements. You must also be at or under 55 and meet any specific requirements stipulated in the green list for your occupation. Applying for one of these visas is an online process. Secure the job offer, check your eligibility, gather your documents, and submit your application through the Immigration New Zealand website. And if you find it too overwhelming to deal with it on your own, it really pays to get an experienced immigration lawyer like us on board. We have helped many clients over the years to ensure they're on the right path, and full and proper legal representation from us might be just what you need. So there you have it. The New Zealand Green List visa is a decent opportunity for those with the right skills and experience to fast-track their way to living in New Zealand. But as with all things involving bureaucracy, it's not as simple as it sounds. You'll need to keep up to date with the latest requirements and changes to make sure you're still on track. And remember, it's not just about filling out the forms. It's about navigating the ever-changing landscape of immigration policy to make sure you can call New Zealand your new home. And that is our tip of the day. Do follow and subscribe to ensure you're up to date on the New Zealand immigration law. Ka kite anō.